Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today I'm doing a quick review and unboxing on a gun belt that I received from ULTAK. I did see some reviews online. This was not paid. They did not give me this belt. I bought it with my own money, just to be clear and transparent. I think it's important you to know that. So I'm looking online and for a nylon belt, what size I was going to be. So I bought two different sizes. And I'm a 36, 38 waist, right around there. And actually the medium is big enough. You don't need the large. I mean, it's really true to size, as they say. Here is the belt itself, the buckle. Had it for, like I said, a couple of days when playing with it, and very well made. So this is the box it comes in, just like you see here. So put that to the side. Here is the actual belt itself. I like the way it says ULTAK on it right here. It's kind of cool. I want you to see that. I like the way that's done. I like the way it's made. It's got a release right here, so when you actually ride the belt in, let me open this up and take a look at it together so we can see the piece inside here, which is actually really cool. I love this release mechanism for this nylon belt. So let me just show you how this works basically. So you just feed it right through here. When I usually do, I just open it up, I start it up like that, and just feed it just like this here. So it ratchets right in. You can see that. And then it has this little like a little elastic piece here that actually takes up the take-up inside the belt, which is cool. So you can just ratchet as tight as you want, and it stays inside the belt. I like that a lot. Pretty strong. Didn't have a long endurance test yet for it. Well made, in my opinion. It's well worth the money. It was not a lot of money, actually. It was very reasonable. I like this configuration. Let me just show you how it looks. There's not a lot of videos on this one. You can just see how it ratchets in there. You can see that. And it's unlimited. And then you want to release it. I just press this button right here and releases the actual belt itself. So again, made out of nylon. You can cut it, I guess, if you want to adjust it. Take these two screws out if you want to. You can cut it and adjust it. I think if you're a 36 like me, the medium is big enough, and they have large, which is really big. So I think the medium, I bought two different sizes because I really wasn't sure how accurate the sizing was on the belt. You can see it's black. Let me just get a better shot there so you can see it. That is what it looks like. Really cool looking. I love this, like a nice tactical belt. How thick is it? That's what you're going to ask me. And I'm going to actually measure this for you. So the actual thickness of the belt, let's just get a quick measurement of that, is approximately, and if you can see that, about 1.25 inches. Yeah, about 1.25 inches, right around there. I mean, it could have been a little bit thicker, maybe 1.5 inches. So it seems to fit my belt, my pants, no problem. Especially appendix, you can have that adjustment, you know, to take in the in and out a little bit. You know, you have to wear a little bit bigger pants, of course, and all that kind of stuff. But that's what this is all about. This review is to show you about the belt, buckle, and how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed the quick review. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow for more on my channel and all kinds of cool different things that we do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I appreciate your time.